how have the markets rallied recently? The S&P and Nasdaq hit all-time highs today. The Dow was chasing the pack close to its own record. And while overall inflation stayed steady, core inflation is running hotter than hoped, according to the PCE report that was just released today. And at the same time, consumer confidence just saw its biggest jump in 6 months. And of course, we've got the big, beautiful bill top of mind, too. So what does all of this mean for your money and the Fed's next move? Patrick Mueller, RFC and president of Bella Advisors, joins us now to break it all down. Patrick, good to have you back. So first, what's driving this big market rally lately?
It's all of we got the tariff money that's coming back in. And I think people are not as fearful as they were because everything was so doom and gloom, Alicia, when Trump was coming into office and everybody was scared. Nobody knew what was going to go on. And it was like, oh my goodness, this is the world is ending basically on everything. And so it really started driving the markets down this year. And we went down 20% in the first quarter. And now people are realizing that as all these trade negotiations are starting to work out, that now it's jumping back and people are becoming more optimistic on what's going. And you're starting to see this working where we have companies coming back into the country. GE just announcing that they're going to be moving from China into Kentucky. So lots of good stuff that's happening, but I don't think we're done with the volatility. We have all these tariff talks, deadlines that are coming up here in the first part of July, and I think we got to watch out for that.
Okay, so the breaking news today that President Trump ended trade talks with Canada today over the digital tax. But you know, the stock market kept climbing, maybe because, what do you think? Are investors more focused on the positive news coming from China, U.S. China, the rare earth deal there, and trade?
That was a big deal, and I don't think that the negotiations with Canada, anybody really cares about that too much. I think they realize that long term. Canada needs us way more than we need them. And so I think that the markets realize that, and I think everybody's really excited that we're back to all-time highs. And we saw the GDP report come out, and it contracted a little bit in the first quarter of this year. It came out yesterday, and the markets didn't care about that either. So they understand that long-term there's good things that are happening, and I think that people are very optimistic of where things are going to go longer term.
For all our viewers asking where One America News is heading in the future, we would like to introduce you to OAN Live. OAN Live is the best way to stay up to date on all of the hard-hitting, straight-shooting, national and international headlines. And the best part is, OAN Live is only $4.99 per month. All the credible, honest, unbiased reporting One America News offers at a fraction of the cost of cable. Just go to OANN.com to easily sign up for OAN Live and stay informed.